Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the POPO on Solana token, and this is Pepe's dog POPO, who is just starting their pre-sale. This is a brand new token. I found this token listed on coinsniper.net in the pre-sale section. They basically just started their pre-sale yesterday, April 26th, on their webpage. Now this looks like one of the Matt FURIE character memes here. They're saying that it's Pepe's dog and the contract is pending, so I can't see the contract yet. It doesn't have a pre-sale end date on here either, but they do have a webpage, Twitter, Telegram, their pre-sale page, and we're going to go over all that. We're going to look for any security, maybe any potential scam risks on here that we should be aware about, like if there's any warnings or red flags, things like that. Hopefully there's a team docs, any sort of security. We're going to look for that and the info on this token and how you can get it. We're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Pepe's dog POPO. Ticker symbol is POPO. So yeah, you can find this token on coinsniper.net. Now, on Coinsniper, sometimes they'll have a KYC or an audit button lit up when the token has submitted an audit or a KYC. Now, those are not lit up. There's also no contract address. It says contract is pending. It says they just started their pre-sale yesterday, April 26th at 13 hours, and ending date is to be announced. Now, besides that, they have no other information on Coinsniper besides the Twitter, Telegram, and webpage link. So just be aware of that. Not much information on this token as of yet. Now, their Telegram here can be found at Pepe's dog POPO. They have 1,113 subscribers on there. It says, meet Pepe's lost dog POPO, who escaped high fees and joined the Solana family. Hashtag POPO has been found. You can join that Telegram to see updates. Maybe they're going to get new listings, things like that. Any updates they're going to post on their socials, hopefully. So join the Telegram. You can preview it to see what it looks like before. So just looking at their Telegram here, they have 3 photos, 1 link so far, and it says here, name of the token is POPO, ticker symbol is POPO, network Solana, pre-sale price is 0.00 zeros and a 2, basically, USD. And it says max supply 50 billion tokens, fair launch, yes, limited pre-sale, yes. So it says roadmap updated. Before the next update, we will be hosting another community vote for POPO, and pre-sale will begin soon. So that's an old update there. And they just kind of have a picture of a roadmap. It looks almost like it's a joke, but let me see here. And then their other announcement just says, good morning, everyone. Pepe's lost dog POPO has been found safe on the Solana blockchain, ready for launch. So if you click on the roadmap thing here, it's just basically a map, and it's just you've got like a dog bone, a fire hydrant. It's just kind of like a joke roadmap here, which very much just means that this token is just a meme token that is probably not going to have much utility at all. Now, if you go over to their webpage, POPO on Solana.net, it says join POPO presale before trading starts. So they have different amounts that you could click on and buy. Then they actually have a roadmap on their webpage here. It says roadmap stage 1 is going to be launch the website, verify smart contract, presale marketing campaign. Stage 2 is launch token presale. And then those are all the things that are done so far. So those are all checked off. And the things that are coming up next will be coming in the future, and those are not done yet. It says claim tokens before launch. Trading will begin soon. Stage 3, CoinMarketCap promotion, holder-only airdrop, and roadmap update. And basically, that's all the info on their webpage. So there's not any more info than that. So very much just a meme token. Now, how you buy the token is there's different things you can click on. So you have to buy certain amounts. Now, I just reviewed another pre-sale. I'm trying to remember the name of it. I'm going to upload it today as well. What did I just review here? 2 seconds ago, I just did a video on, what was it? Oh, Yapper. So Yapper coin, which is another Pepe Matt Furie character on the base chain. And I think I would guess that this is brought to you by the same team as that token because their web pages almost look identical. They're both Pepe Matt Furie characters, and they're both listed on CoinSniper, brand new, starting their pre-sale on the same day. So there's so many similarities. To me, it looks like they're brought to you by the same people. So just be aware of that. Now, they both have these increment things of buying the tokens. So you could click to buy like a billion tokens for $1,000. So you could click to buy half a billion tokens for $500. And then the same thing for $250, for $100, for $50. So different increments, but it looks like you have to either buy 50, 100, 250, 500, or $1,000 worth of tokens. So let's say I click on $50. It takes me over. This is the same way that the Yapper token worked. Takes me over to setting up your, or not setting up, but linking your MetaMask or your Coinbase wallet, or you can connect another wallet and you buy the token that way. So I have not tried it before. If they ask for personal information, just be aware of that. Don't give up anything that you don't want to give up, especially private keys or something like that, because some of these pre-sales will ask for private keys, and that's super sketchy. And so they only have 3 tweets so far. So there's their Twitter in the corner of the screen. At POPO on Solana has a link to their webpage where the pre-sale is. 950 followers, just joined in April 2024. 3 tweets, and just has pre-sale information. Same thing as their Telegram, basically. So I just scrolled through everything, and they have no utility. They have no actual contract address. They have no audit, no quick audit, no, you name it. They don't have any of it. So, there's little to no security on this token whatsoever. So just totally be aware of that. When you were getting this pre-sale, you're basically taking all the risks in the world because you can't even look at an audit to review it to see if there's any risks. So it could potentially just have all the risks. So just thoroughly be aware of that. Do your own research before getting this token because, it could be very, very sketchy. And, let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.